am getting ready to make all kinds of like little gift bags. This filler immediately impressed me. I have it laid out here and I'm so excited to just use it. It just looks so fun. This is Crinkle cut paper, shredded filler, and it definitely arrived well packed and so immediately looks festive. I love the red and green shred, and I love the little Christmas confetti. How fun is that? This all together gives any gift a polished, seasonal look that is going to stand out from the basic filler. What I liked about this package, 3 or 4 things. The red and green tones are bold, and the metallic confetti is going to definitely add a noticeable touch of detail without overwhelming the gift. There is so much here. As you know, you're going to pull it apart and it's going to expand. 1 pound is going to go further than I'm going to need. And this is going to fluff up so nicely to fill those boxes, baskets, and those bags with ease. The material has good spring and support. It's going to cushion fragile items so they don't get broken, so they hold their shape. And this is really going to be more versatile than just for Christmas, you know, winter crafts and such. Final verdict. This filler is an easy way to elevate holiday packaging. This is going to brighten up all my gifts, provide cushioning, and that added confetti is going to give everything a more finished and festive look. I would purchase this again for future holiday projects. Highly recommend.